Hello guys, welcome back to Super Blender Tutorials. Thank you for joining me once more. This is part 9 of this series. Okay, so in this tutorial, what we're going to do next is we're going to duplicate the speakers, just as we did in the previous tutorial. But before we do, I want to scale it up a little bit, especially in the X direction. Alright, or instead of scaling it up, I'll just select the outermost edges and extrude them inwards that way. In the Y direction, yeah, so that it looks more connected to the speaker box itself. Okay, now we're going to start to position them where they actually are in the scene. So I'm going to rotate this, but before I start doing all that stuff, so I really cannot see beyond these, so I'm going to select these guys and just hide them all by pressing H. Okay, oh my goodness, I hit that too. Okay, I'm gonna deselect that and then hide these ones, and you hide them by pressing the H key. Okay, now I can see what's going on. Yeah, there's 3 of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scale it based on the scale that I think that's the almost accurate scale of it. Yeah, scale it up a little bit in the X direction, or maybe scale it down. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Shift D to clone these. Oops. I'm going to select all of them, all of the objects right there. Shift D, and then put one there, and Shift D, and put one there possibly. That's where they are anyway. One is behind here, somewhere around here, and one is somewhere there, and one is somewhere there. So I'm going to select those and rotate that somewhere. Okay. I'm going to unhide everything by pressing Alt H. You hold down the Alt key and then you press H. Now move this towards somewhere there. This is towards somewhere there. So now we're starting to get more of what the scene looks like. Okay, push that down a little bit. Yep. Chairs on the floor. Let's do the same for this guy. And chairs on the floor. And yeah, I think we almost have it. We almost have it, guys. Okay, so another thing I'm going to do is, and for this tutorial, I'm going to reposition the camera so as to position it where the other camera is in this particular scene. So I'm going to do that by, I'm going to, just between the 3D view and, I don't know what view this is called the main menu. Yeah, just between the 3D view and the main menu, just before you're about to get to the main menu, just between them, you're going to get a double arrow. When you get the double arrow, right click and select split area, and then you get a line where you want to split. So I'm gonna split area there, and I'm gonna select the active camera right now, and I'm gonna delete that camera. So what I'm gonna do now is in the Z, yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna insert a new camera by simply holding down the Shift key and then adding a new camera. So there we go. And on this side, I'm gonna go into the camera view. You simply do that by pressing 0 on the numpad. So now I'm in the camera view. So now I want to see my reference image, which is right there. So I can simply work better, if I can put it that way. So I can simply work better. Um, Okay, I think I'm gonna need a third view, so I'm just gonna go to this bottom view right here, and I'm gonna go to this bottom view right here and change it to a 3D view too, so I can see the image in this screen, and I can position the camera in the X and Y on this screen. and see what see where I am, what the camera can see in this screen. So let's do that. I'm gonna press the G key, which is for grab. Okay, let's see. I'm not satisfied with that at all, because it seems like I can see the bottom. I can almost see the bottom of this one. I can see the bottom of that one, and then yeah, I think this is all right. This is almost perfect. Okay, yeah, that looks good. So I'm gonna select this speaker here and position it to where it needs to be, which is there, and then rotating the Z axis somewhere there. Yeah, that looks good. And as for this one, it is actually much closer, so I'm gonna move that in the Y direction. So it's in the Y direction, somewhere behind the third seat, I mean the middle seat in the back. So that's where it is. I'm gonna go up a little bit so I can see what's going on. Okay, that's perfect. That's almost perfect, but it's perfect enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna select these seats in the back, and move them backwards a little, because I can see you can almost clearly see them. Oops, sorry, forgive me for that. You can almost clearly see them, and I'm gonna move this. I think it's in the back, like that, and we have our scene almost complete. So I'm gonna try this out right here by I'm gonna see how far we've gone in this right here, simply by changing my view mode to rendered. Let's see what we get. Yeah, that looks good. So we almost have our scene right here. The only thing we need to do now is put a few materials in there, and then add the items on the wall in the back, and add a few details to the wall. Yeah, and we'll be done soon, guys. So join me in the next few videos, and leave any comments if you're confused. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. So, Super Blender Tutorials, join me next time, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys.